We're thinking more and more and more, but we have to get better at expelling things out of us. And like these psychedelics seem to have a place for helping people do that sort of, you could say mentally or spiritually or emotionally. Yeah.
I would say on all levels. I find talk therapy can be useful for sort of very beginners.
Mm-hmm.
You know, when people are really shut down and they've never done any work on themselves.
Yeah.
Then talk therapy can definitely be useful as a door opener.
Yeah.
But ultimately, I have found, you know, I got to the point where talk therapy was doing nothing for me, because with talk therapy, we can fool ourselves
yeah, sure.
and the therapist.
Yeah, we can say all the right things.
Yes, because the mind, the ego loves, you know, especially an unaware and unconscious ego can fool. I got so good at fooling therapists for years, and I didn't realize who was I fooling? I was fooling myself.
Right.
I've been going on way too long.